Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Nalax Badminton Set, a perfect choice for outdoor fun with family and friends. This set features two lightweight, 100% carbon fiber rackets that offer a unique feel compared to metal ones, ensuring you can play longer without shoulder strain. Designed for excellent performance, these oval-shaped rackets boast a larger sweet spot to improve your hit rate and enhance defense, while the carbon aluminum composite materials increase strength and stability. The ergonomic design includes a new low-wind resistance tapered cover, making high-speed backhand swings quicker and more accurate, and the set comes with 3 upgraded shuttlecocks made of complex cork head and duck feathers for improved durability. Whether you're in your backyard, at the beach, or in the park, this set is perfect for beginners and families who love outdoor activities, making it an ideal gift for all ages. At Nalax, customer satisfaction is a priority, so if you have any questions or suggestions upon receiving your badminton set, their dedicated service team is ready to assist you. Get ready to elevate your game and create unforgettable memories with the Nalax Badminton Set, designed for endless hours of fun and enjoyment. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.